So guys, we have finally reached the last session of Crack Season 1. If you remember correctly, we started on the 30th of April with this session on people management. It was during the pandemic, there were some people who attended it and most of them appreciated it. We moved on to the second session, which was on personal branding. A lot of people came back to us asking, we didn't know we have a personal brand and we can consciously work towards improving our personal brand. The third session was on developing our dream careers. And we spoke on step by step methods on how we can develop the career of our choice. The fourth session is one of my personal favorites, where we spoke about the magic of storytelling. I remember those stories on dopamine and oxytocin and some of the stories you guys shared. It was wonderful. From the fifth session onwards, we started getting a guest speaker. I remember Asit spoke to us about the art of negotiation. If you are across the table negotiating something, how do you get the best results? The next session, session number 6 by Anand, he spoke about the current situation, dealing with uncertainty, and told us various strategies of how we can be optimistic and deal with the current times. The seventh session taken by Saurabh was the perfect mix of EQ and IQ. Saurabh spoke to us about how we can develop our emotional intelligence over our lifetime and thus become better and better professionals. The eighth session was a wonderful gathering where we spoke about the power of networking. Deepak spoke to us about various strategies about not only how we can expand our network but also maintain it on a day-to-day basis. The next session, the ninth, was one of my personal favorites, where we spoke about mindfulness. How we can be in the here and now and therefore make an impact and on the efficiency of our lives. The last session, guys, taken by Sonal, was on conflict management. I loved the way Sonal explained how most of the conflicts are in our own mind and how we can proactively work towards making it better and better in terms of resolving conflicts. So here we are for the last session this Saturday, day after tomorrow, where Deepto will take us through the journey of building brands beyond marketing. And guys, whichever function you are in, can you tell me which of these functions is more important in building brands, or do all of them play a very important part? Let's take the example of sales. When that Amex guy calls us and we pick up the phone, he speaks the same language, the same words every time. Does that build a brand? Let's take the example of service. And the big basket guy delivers that same material before 7 a.m. in the morning every time. Does that build a brand? Let's take the example of product. You enter your car, you say hello MG and it replies back, hello Debojit. Does that build a brand? Let's take the example of tech. You use LinkedIn, you use Twitter, you use Insta, you use Facebook. Such wonderful UI for all of us to see. Does that build a brand? Or let's say HR, when they travel across organizations, across colleges, across universities in order to hire people, and the kind of interactions they have, the impressions that they leave about the organization, does that build a brand? There are many such interesting conversations we'll have this Saturday. See you.